Welcome to our channel, where today we're introducing the X-cosrack wine rack freestanding floor, a versatile minibar table and wine holder stand that combines functionality with elegance. This stylish liquor cabinet features a wood tabletop and can store up to 14 bottles of wine, making it perfect for wine collectors and professional connoisseurs alike. The strong metal structure ensures stability, while the graceful wire hooks on both sides can hang up to 4 wine glasses, with a raised end to prevent slipping. Its unique wine glass shape and rustic wood top add a touch of sophistication to any space, fitting seamlessly into corners or against walls in your home bar, kitchen, dining, or living room. Assembly is a breeze with included instructions and tools, allowing you to quickly set up this compact and practical wine cabinet, ideal for small kitchens, dining rooms, or studio apartments. And if you ever encounter any quality issues, our dedicated customer service team is ready to provide a solution within 24 hours. Elevate your wine storage with this elegant and space-saving wine rack, a perfect gift and home decor addition. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.